Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel your DoorDash account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go and step into our video. For the matter, first go ahead, access your DoorDash app, and it can be from your browser or it can be from your app. After that words, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top. Then afterwards you're gonna find this kind of menu option, including this option called account, which we need. Go ahead, tap on it, and then afterwards it will lead you this kind of interface where it shows you this option called manage account, right? And here in this below section you can see this option called delete your account. Go ahead, tap on this delete account option just given below it, and then afterwards this kind of notification gonna appear. You can see what happens when you delete your account. It's gonna ask you all kind of information, give you all kind of information what will happen afterwards. You're gonna go ahead, download any particular data you would like. Afterwards go ahead, tap on this continue option that will be given in the red box. Then you will be able to find this another notification stating that you need to confirm your account deletion. For that you need to go ahead, tap on delete account, and that it will send you a verification code. Go ahead, copy that up and paste it in the verification asked box. Once you have done so, again confirm it, and then you will be able to delete your DoorDash account successfully. So this is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.